Jamb 2011 Economics Past Question, question number 19. Question says, the law of variable proportion. The law of variable proportion is applicable only in the long run. Option A. Option B says to large scale enterprises. Option C says to small scale enterprises. Option D says in the short run period. Now, the law of variable proportion states that as the quantity of one factor is increased, keeping other factors fixed, there is universal as it applies. This is universal as it applies to all fields of production. That is why it is called the law of universal application. Law of universal application. Law of universal application. The main cause of application of this law is the fixity of one factor of production. Fixity of any one factor. Thus, the law of variable proportion applies to most of the cases of production in the real world situation. So this applies to most cases of production in the real world. So option A, which says in the long run period, is the correct answer. Thank you, and please subscribe for more past questions.